Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to reset your Keurig Duo coffee maker. If your Keurig Duo is not responding after a power outage or an error, you can try a hard reset. First, unplug the coffee maker from the wall outlet. Leave it unplugged for 10 to 15 minutes. This gives the machine enough time to drain any remaining power and clear its internal memory. After waiting, plug the coffee maker back in and turn it on. Check if the buttons and normal functions are working again. If the add water light keeps flashing, even when the water reservoir is full, the water sensor may need to be reset. Start by unplugging the coffee maker and removing the water tank. Empty the reservoir completely and leave the machine unplugged for about 10 minutes. Then plug the coffee maker back in without the reservoir attached. Wait until the add water light starts flashing. Next, fill the water reservoir and firmly attach it back to the coffee maker. Open and close the K-cup holder to help the system reset and recognize the water tank. The add water light should now turn off. If the descale message remains after you have already cleaned the machine, turn the coffee maker off. Press and hold the 8-ounce and 10-ounce buttons at the same time for 5 to 10 seconds. This will clear the descale notification. Thanks for watching.